Okay, example 5 has the absolute value of m is less than 4. Well, first thing I see is this is a less than. So remember, that means that when we graph this, because our directions here are to solve and graph the solution set in our notes, so when we graph this, we're graphing an and statement. Remember, we're going to graph what makes both inequalities true. So we're going to graph where they overlap. So this one, I know that what's inside can be less than 4, and what's inside. Now when you deal with the negative, I want you to flip the inequality symbol, and we'll see why when we graph this, okay? So if I needed to solve anything, I would here, but I don't, so I'm going to let that go like that. And then we need to graph this. So remember, label your infinities. So we're going to have, one of ours is m is less than 4, so we're going to put 4. And remember, before when we did this, we graphed right up here above, and we said that we would shade towards the negative infinity, and that we would put a parenthesis there. Well, then we have m is greater than negative 4, so put the negative 4. And it's greater than, so it would shade towards the positive infinity, and we put a parenthesis there. And we can see here that the overlap is in this area. Let me change colors real quick here. I'll just do a square, a rectangle. The overlap is right here from my graphs. So that part there is where I'm going to shade my solution. So I know it's going to be between, I forgot to turn off the box. It's going to be between negative 4 and positive 4. Now, is my negative 4 and my positive 4 included? No, because the original problem didn't have an equal to, and we can see in both of these that there were parentheses, so parenthesis at each. Then to write your solution set, remember, it's where you start shading, comma, where your shading ends, and both of them had parentheses in this problem.